click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android Christian. In this video, I will talk about the Android Pie update of Galaxy J6 Plus and Galaxy J4 Plus. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy J4 Plus and Galaxy J6 Plus is now getting Android Pie update with one UI. The update is currently available in few countries. The Galaxy J4 Plus is receiving this update in Vietnam, Thailand and Ukraine, while the Galaxy J6 Plus is receiving in Germany, Iraq and India. The update's changelog is currently available for Galaxy J6 Plus, in which you can see the update file size is about 1174 MB. And all of those new features are listed you will get after updating your phone. Moreover, the update comes with brand new One UI, which is a very good looking UI created by Samsung for one-hand use of smartphones. The update also includes April security patch. And friends, this time Samsung is very quick to release Android update for its smartphone as we compare to last year's. And lastly friends, if we talk about how to download the update, open the phone's setting, navigate to software update, then tap the download updates manually option to grab the Android Pie update over the air. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.